Hey, Rapid back, and this is a part 2 of Rapid versus Chicken. Enjoy. I'm sure not enjoy. I am aiming on you right now. Right now. Do you feel that red dot? I always, I always shot you once. It's like right when you spawn, you just see red dots going right at your chest. You move, you're dead. You just sit there, like, you just move once, you're like, right here. Hey, hey, what the heck? You're like, boom, boom, boom. I didn't know you had a marksman pistol. You shot me more than once, and I think like, and what the? Maybe, maybe not. Oh yeah, one. That was marksman pistol, baby. Yep, one hit wonder. One hit wonder, baby. I love one hit wonders. What? One hit wonder. that was with the sniper. You should watch my videos. There's gonna be two parts of it. Well, I'm gonna see what's going on, and I don't know if he lagged out or if I lagged out or something. I'll be back in a little bit. Well, he didn't get on. He got off the thing, and then he got off line. And so, if you want to read this, you have to read this backwards. Like that starts right there, and it ends right over there. And so that's it for Rapid versus Chicken so far. Like I think I might start this as like a like a little playlist or whatever of me versus other people, see who wins. It was 18 versus 16 or something. So I think I won that round. It might keep going farther, like Rapid versus Chicken part 3. I don't know. It might be another person. Randomize. So yeah, see you in the next video.